Hey, John Tutson with Paladin Karate, doing another dojo video. Just did the forward roll, we're going to do the back roll. Okay? Back roll probably makes more sense to get good at than a forward roll, because a forward roll would be you jumping out of the way, you trip or something. Yeah, that's good. It's good for class, to be a good uke and not get beat up. Backwards roll probably more realistic because you're going to be getting knocked backwards. So if I'm getting knocked backwards, I don't want to land stiff. That's bad. I'm going to get hurt. You'll get hurt doing that enough on the mat. I want to curl up and do a rocking chair, or roll all the way like a ball. So if you know how to sit down, you can do the beginning of a back roll. Shoving me, hitting it, whatever, and I'm going back. Just bend the knees, sit, boom, right here. So you can even start practicing from here. Both knees go to one ear or the other, not splitting the difference, and not to the side, but passing the ear. There's some kids, people do this. Well, it's okay, you didn't get creamed, you didn't land flat hard, but now they're going to get you. I want to go to land here, and go to fight from the ground, this way, preferably this way. Okay, whatever's there, keep your foot between them, put a hand up, and get up as soon as you can, okay? Or we're going to do all the way. So if you want to start from sitting position, you go here. I'm going to throw, I tend to go to the right. I'm going to throw a knee here, and then right up, okay? So I go right from here, and I'm up. So down, here, knees together to one side or the other. You can help yourself with momentum, push, come up. So when I hit my head, that's the main thing. Don't hit your head, don't let your head, big old head get in the way. Don't go here. That could hurt your neck, and it can really get you while you're really vulnerable like that. That's not a way to be. Go here, come up. That is a back roll. So we're kind of at an angle, which I probably should have done for the front roll. That goes here. Okay. Down. Knee goes to one side, both knees. Okay, that's a back roll. Very easy. Once you've done it with repetition. Okay, so back, we did front roll. That's the jiu-jitsu back roll. Thanks.